Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Healy Pneumatic Forklift, model number CPQYD30 KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 6,000 pounds, and this one runs on dual fuel. So in this case, that's LP and gasoline. And you'll see there that it has four-way hydraulics. While I'm on this side, I'll show you it has a cup holder as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift and one of my favorite features, fork positioners. Now you will get your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. These tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Coming up here to the front with the lights, we have these forward-facing ultra bright LED headlights, as well as these combination lights on top that show not only a work light, but also your turn signals. Now coming inside of the cab, we have even more great features, including the fully adjustable steering column and the steering wheel knob. Up there you can see that we have that convex rear view mirror. Back on that back pillar, we have a rear pillar handle with a horn that is a great safety feature for your operator as well as pedestrians in the area. And we have a full suspension, fully adjustable seat that moves forwards and backwards, adjusts with your incline and with your suspension. And you'll see here that it has that high visibility seat belt as well. Now back on the back, we have even more lights, including those combination lights that show the brakes as well as your turn signals and the backup, and you'll hear the backup alarm as well. And you can see that yellow strobe up on top. Now that yellow strobe is magnetic and it is movable as well. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.